This is Fidelio X2HR from Philips with open-end design. So in this video you will hear them for how they sound actually. So let's begin. Now before starting the sound demo, let me give you the technical specifications quickly. These headphones have 50mm drivers with open back acoustics. Then LMC, which is also known as layered motion control diaphragm, to damper the exaggerated frequency. Pre-tilted driver design to minimize the sound reflection. Frequency response from 5 Hz to 40 kHz. 30 ohms impedance. They can be driven without amplifier as well. You can use them with your mobile phones. 3-meter detachable cable. Velour cushion ear pads. Then 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter. And they weighs approximately 0.38 kg. So as for the build is concerned, they are built like a tank, and they feels quite sturdy with mesh design, and the headband is also metallic, you can see, and these are quite very comfortable to wear for long listening sessions also, with memory foams, velour pads. Now as per the sound signature goes, they are close to neutral with bit more emphasis on the low frequencies or bass, but low frequencies does not bleed onto other frequencies like mids and highs, and high frequencies sometimes can be harsh, but generally they are soothing for all type of music. Mids are bit recessed in these, so if the mids are a bit more forward, they can be if the mids are a bit more forward, if the mids can be little bit more forward, then these are a great sounding headphones. I mean, even better, they are great already. And these headphones are suitable for all type of music, movies, and of course gaming as well. For gaming, you can use them with V-Moda cable with inbuilt mic. So you can use V-Moda cable with 3.5mm jack. They have a 3.5mm jack. So let me just quickly show you the cable which you get with these headphones. So this is the cable you get with these headphones, with cable management adapter as well. But you can use any 3.5mm to 3.5 cable, like I'm using these. I got these from Amazon. And as far as the size is concerned, they are quite big actually. So you can see, I mean, these are my Bluetooth headphones, so they're quite big actually, but they are built for comfort and long listening sessions. But the velour pads are dirt magnets actually, so you need to watch out for this. Sometimes you can still see there are some dust particles on my ear pads. Now let's quickly jump over to the actual deal, the sound demo of these headphones. So now coming up are the soundtracks recorded with these headphones, so that you can judge by yourself about these. So let's go.